Hey guys, so in this video, I just wanted to show you the submenus of Booked so you know how to navigate the platform and where you should go for what. Okay, so initially, the biggest thing is you have to understand that everything is driven through this nav bar on the side. Okay, and in this nav bar, you'll see the first thing is the setup builder. And I'll make more videos going into depth in each of them, but you see the setup builder is to build for you. Let's say you're building a quick demo or a quick system. You can build any of these setups really quickly, where you just have to fill up a form and then you'll have your system set up. Okay, and this can be done over any channel, all right? Then let's say you have a setup built out. Inside the build menu, you can see there's a couple different things. There's agents, strategies, tools, webhooks. Most of these are more advanced, but agents is where all your agents live. So you'll see right there. And you can click into each one of them to more so open up the hood of the agent if you wanted to configure it more. All right? What strategies is where you're setting all the different things you want to happen. So let's say this is a campaign and you want to create this campaign, then everyone just gets texted. That's something you can create. And if you want to analyze something, make sure it's reaching an objective or keep looping, all of that can be done through here. Tools is we have a big library of tools where if you want your AI agent to be accessing any of these kind of apps, you can get it to do so, and it'll be done in one click where you just OAuth. So for example, if you just click this, it'll ask you to like sign in with Google right there. And then you should be able to use it with your agent. Then webhooks is something where you can monitor when, let's say, you filled out a form or you want to trigger the agent in some way. You can see the statistics of when that'll happen and everything you need. All right. Okay, moving on to communications. In communications, you'll see this thing called inbox. And inbox is where we're going to be managing all our leads. So for example, if I click into this lead right here, you'll see my call is here. If I'm SMSing with this lead, it's going to be here. I think this one has SMS. No. Yeah, this one has WhatsApp. So this is some WhatsApp right here. Right here, this is some more. So these are just some tests, all right? And you can see also right here if what the lead score is, if there's been any appointment booked, if someone no shows to a meeting, you can click this button and all the decisions the AI can take. All right. Then we have campaigns. And campaigns is basically what you can do. Maybe I'll find some more in-depth stuff to show you later, but campaigns is where you can see any of the campaigns you've executed. So let's say you have a list of leads where you can see the leads right here. And let's say you upload a list where right here, see there's a bunch of lists where you can just drop in a CSV and you can hit go on an agent. And what agent will do will try to reactivate or engage all these leads, and you can measure it through this campaign. Okay? So that's pretty easy. And then you can monitor any analytics for your agents right here. And operation logs is pretty simple, where you can see every voice call or any SMS sent happening for your account. And then at the end is just business, where you can see your plans, any settings you might have, like your API key, because everything can be controlled via API. You can set your company logo, your domains, you can set your own OpenAI keys, whatnot, and update your profiles. And channels is where you can manage adding new channels like WhatsApp, SMS, Instagram, whatever you need. All right. And that's about it. I want to make sure you also see these things where if you really like dark mode, you can make it dark mode. And here, if you need support, we have our community where people can go through. And then, if you ever have any issues, we can help you out. And in the white label, you'll see you can change your domain for Booked and manage any account you have and manage their balance too. and even log in as them if you need to do something for them. But this is just a quick overview of all the different submenus. I'm going to be diving in more so into each one of them and show you when you would need what. All right? Thanks, guys.